Listen to an audio where some people will say where they are going. Identify where it is and what they are doing. Let's check one example.
I am walking to the shopping mall right now. I need to buy a new jacket. But I'm not carrying much money, so I will just look around.
Where is she going? What is she doing? Answer: she's going to the shopping mall. She is looking for a new jacket. Let's start. 1. Lucas.
I am taking the bus to the library. I have a project to finish, but I am not studying alone today. My friend is helping me.
Where is he going? What is he doing? 2. Sophia.
I am going to the park. It's a beautiful day. I am meeting my cousin there, but I am not playing soccer because I hurt my foot.
Where is she going? What is she doing? 3. Danny.
I am driving to the supermarket. My mom asked me to buy some groceries, but I am not buying any junk food. I am eating healthy now.
Where is he going? What is he doing? 4. Olivia.
I am riding my bike to the gym. I am trying to exercise more, but I am not lifting heavy weights yet. I am just doing some cardio.
Where is she going? What is she doing? 5. Ethan.
I am walking to my friend's house. We are watching a movie together, but I am not staying late because I have school tomorrow.
Where is he going? What is he doing? Check out the answer by clicking the link in the description.